Have you ever wondered why some people seem to manifest their dreams effortlessly, while others struggle? The secret is understanding how manifestation truly works. In today's video, I'll guide you through the 3 steps to manifestation, reveal the 4 ways people commonly manifest, show you how to master manifestation to master your life, and help you start living life on your terms. Plus, don't forget to download your free ebook to deepen your practice and make these techniques even more powerful. Thank you for being here. My name is Sana and I'm with Vibration Mentor, where we support our clients in having a joyous journey in life no matter what is happening around them, so they can manifest the life they choose. Let's get started. Welcome to Conscious Light Manifestation, aligning with your highest self. Let's recap again. So conscious dark manifestation, this is where you go through life and you see whether you've done this or other people have done this. I'm sure you've seen many variations of this, but this is where that no matter what is happening, the journey is miserable. They may be very focused on an outcome, very focused on reaching a goal, but the whole time there is no real enjoyment of the journey of this achievement. So this is why a lot of times people achieve so much, but they're miserable, they're unhappy, their lives fall apart nonetheless, their health fails, and those end results don't keep building on more and more and more. So this is why conscious dark manifestation, while still effective, and can actually work very fast, because remember, feelings are so powerful. So if you're very angry and you really want to create something from a place of jealousy, of anger, of fear, it can happen, and it happens many, many times, but the result is not enjoyable. The result is not fulfilling. And really, what's the point of achieving so much if you're not going to be fulfilled and happy in the end? And then on conscious dark manifestation, this, you see this all the time, and you see this around you very often, where people are feeling that they live in victimhood, they're miserable, they're complaining, and no matter what's happening around them, they're unhappy. Being aware of how complaining about something unrelated to something else can have a completely direct effect. And I am so grateful that you are here so you can better understand these concepts and see that everything is connected. Every action, every thought you have, every feeling you have affects everything in your life, whether you know that or not, known and unknown. So please make sure, don't beat yourself up if you now can go back and see how things have kind of connected for you in ways you did not want. Let's start again. This is a new day. So I welcome you to just enjoy a new journey and just relax into everything. And please, please do not feel any shame, guilt, or anger towards yourself, because most of us did not know this. It took me 25 years to really gain this knowledge and really harness this power. And I will never look back. And I'm so grateful for all the experiences, low vibration experiences, because they've all helped me understand myself better and what I want more. And I don't think I've ever been happier. And I would do it all over again to be here. And I want you to get to a point where you can look back and just think to yourself, I would do all of that again to be here, to be in this moment now, and just live in gratitude and joy on a very regular basis, 99% of the time if possible. So then we covered unconscious light manifestation. You know, we all know people like this. People like this always feel lucky, they're happy, and they always have so many incredible things coming their way. And they're also very resilient. They do not allow themselves to be victims. They will not live in victimhood. And even though people around them might be upset, circumstances might become low, or they may feel bad about something, you'll notice that they still know that there is wisdom in this experience, and they still know that something good is coming out of this. And that is an incredibly, incredibly powerful mindset. Oftentimes people like this have seen this emulated in their parents and their families. This isn't something that is taught, and not taught easily. So I'm grateful that you're here so you can understand this. And may we all get to a point where we're always living in unconscious light manifestation. And now, conscious light manifestation. This is really what this entire course is about, because conscious light manifestation is the gateway to living in light manifestation, whether it's conscious or unconscious. Why we're focused on unconscious is because this is the way we train our unconscious mind. And this is the way we can really start to make those connections and see things come together in a way that gets us excited about life. And my focus, this entire work, the entire goal of Vibration Mentor is to help people live a joyous journey. By having a joyous journey, what could be better? I want people to be living in a state of high vibration all the time. No matter what happens in the end, I want them to always feel good about where they are, and to have the tools and the processes and techniques and the training of their unconscious to live that way. And it is possible. And this is what we aim to do in all of our work. So we're happy that you're here, and so grateful that you're taking this course and learning all about conscious light manifestation. Why choose conscious light manifestation? Well, this aligns with your highest version of yourself. So by being the best of who you are, not only do you feel more alive, but you're able to give more, you're able to do more, and you're able to hold space for others to do the same. So by you living in a high vibrational state is the best gift you can give to the world. This also helps you to bring joy, abundance, and purpose to your life, or purposes, right? We all have so many gifts to share for the world. So now why not share them in a high vibration, joyous state? Why not live in a joyous journey? You're going to do the project anyway. You're going to be in the relationships anyway. You're going to take care of your health no matter what. So why not do it in a joyous manner? Why have a journey of suffering, of anger, of stress? Why not step back and consciously enjoy a joyous journey? Because remember, this ensures that both the journey and the outcome are fulfilling. Why would you want anything if it doesn't bring you a high vibrational feeling? The reason people love movies is because they make them feel a certain way. Why are so many movies so popular? Because people want to feel happier, feel joy, feel excitement, feel the rush, feel the curiosity, feel the adventure, feel the satisfaction of accomplishment. When you think about it, everything that we do is to chase a specific feeling, whether it's having enough to pay for the bills makes us feel secure, right? We want that feeling of security, of feeling safe, of feeling calm. Why do we want to be in relationships? To feel love, to feel joy, to feel all those things. So think about it. All the things that you want, they're not necessarily the 3D material results, but the feelings that you think will happen from those results. The process of conscious light manifestation, while it seems simple, it's actually very nuanced, and to ensure that the vibration of it is fully aligned with your unconscious, we are going to delve into each one of these steps, starting with the ask. Clearly define what you want, setting a pure high vibrational intention, making sure that the final end result is what you want to achieve. Learning about aligning and allowing. This is step 2. This is handled by the law of attraction completely, but by being a powerful cooperative component, by allowing the well-being in, you are able to ensure this joyous journey. So this is really about the joyous journey in between. And then learning how to receive. How do you receive in a way where you open yourself up with gratitude and joy and happiness? This is how we create this incredible feeling of thank you for all of this and all the gifts that came with it that I didn't expect. And I want more of this, please. So again, the benefits of conscious light manifestation: feeling calmer, feeling at peace, feeling connected, feeling that you have a place in the world, expecting well-being, trusting, and enjoying the journey most of all. I mean, what could be better than enjoying the journey of whatever it is that you want to achieve or do in your life? So your exercises to complete are: reflect on what conscious light manifestation means to you and reflect on why this is a great path to live. And please come back after you have finished. Great. And now you've gotten a chance to learn more about conscious light manifestation. Again, this is so important because it truly covers how to live in a way that eventually will train the unconscious mind. So by focusing on conscious light manifestation over time, this is what trains the powerful unconscious mind. So hopefully this can really help you get in a way where you just live in light manifestation. So it's such a beautiful way to live and such an incredible, joyous journey. So enjoy. The next 3 modules will cover the 3 steps of conscious light manifestation. So hopefully you will enjoy and really dig deep into the way you ask and how to ask, and may it become a fun and enjoyable experience. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, subscribe for more insights on manifestation, mindfulness, and personal growth. Hit the bell icon so you never miss a video. Drop a comment with your thoughts, and I'll see you in the next one.